Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're talking about a curling iron that promises silky smooth spiral curls with an easy-to-use design. If you're someone who's on the lookout for a tool that combines functionality with sleek performance, you'll want to hear about the Revlon Perfect Heat Triple Ceramic Curling Iron. This isn't just any curling iron, its design and features make it stand out in a sea of styling tools. Now, let's take a closer look at this tool and see how it stacks up. The Revlon Perfect Heat Triple Ceramic Curling Iron is built with advanced technology to deliver smooth, consistent curls. It features triple ceramic technology that helps to distribute heat evenly. This minimizes heat damage, which is a major bonus for those who style their hair often. The ceramic coating is ideal for people looking to reduce frizz and maintain healthy-looking hair, as it helps lock in moisture, leaving you with shiny, smooth curls. This curling iron is equipped with a heat dial that's incredibly easy to use, allowing you to adjust the heat level up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it versatile enough for all hair types, whether you have fine, medium, or thick hair. In addition, the iron heats up in just 30 seconds, which is perfect if you're in a hurry and want to get to styling without waiting around. The handle is ergonomic, designed to make styling as comfortable as possible. And there's a thumb rest to ensure a secure grip while you're working your way through your hair. In terms of usability, the Revlon Perfect Heat Triple Ceramic Curling Iron is quite user-friendly. It's as simple as pressing and holding the on-off button for about 3 seconds to turn it on. A nice touch is the built-in counter rest, which prevents the barrel from touching surfaces while you're in between curls, keeping your styling area tidy. Plus, it has dual voltage compatibility, making it ideal for travel. Whether you're jet-setting across the country or taking a weekend trip, you won't have to worry about finding an adapter. Now let's talk about my experience using it. The triple ceramic barrel heats evenly, and I noticed my curls were smooth with very little frizz. The curls held their shape throughout the day, and the iron was comfortable to use, even during longer styling sessions. The 30-second heat-up time is a game changer. It's quick and efficient, and the adjustable heat settings provide flexibility for different styling needs. However, one downside is that the barrel is a ½ inch, which is better suited for tighter curls. So if you're aiming for more voluminous, beachy waves, this might not be the best match for you. When it comes to pros and cons, the Revlon Perfect Heat Triple Ceramic Curling Iron definitely has a lot of great features. First, the ceramic barrel helps minimize heat damage, and the adjustable heat settings make it flexible for various hair types. It also has a 30-second heat-up time and a dual voltage system, which makes it travel-friendly. The thumb rest and ergonomic handle add to the comfort factor, making it easy to use for long periods of time. On the flip side, the ½ inch barrel may not be suitable for those who prefer looser curls or waves. And I did find that it took a little longer to curl larger sections of hair because of the size of the barrel. In terms of value for money, the Revlon Perfect Heat Triple Ceramic Curling Iron is priced competitively for the features it offers. The ceramic technology, adjustable heat settings, and travel-friendly design make it a solid option if you're looking for a reliable curling iron that won't break the bank. Compared to other high-end curling irons, it offers a lot of performance at a more affordable price point. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few options to consider, such as the Conair Infinity Pro or the Remington Pro Pearl Ceramic Curling Iron. These are priced similarly, but offer different barrel sizes and heat settings that might suit other styling preferences. That said, the Revlon Perfect Heat Triple Ceramic Curling Iron stands out for its ability to reduce heat damage, and its user-friendly features make it a great choice for those who want a simple, effective curling iron. In terms of build quality, the curling iron feels sturdy but not overly heavy. The materials used are durable enough for everyday use, but I wouldn't say it's built for long-term, heavy-duty use. The dual voltage feature and automatic shutoff are a great bonus for travel safety and convenience. To wrap it up, the Revlon Perfect Heat Triple Ceramic Curling Iron is a solid option for anyone who's looking for consistent curls without the damage. Its ceramic technology and adjustable heat settings make it versatile for all hair types, while the dual voltage system and compact design make it an ideal travel companion. It's best suited for those who love defined curls, but might not be the best choice for people seeking larger, voluminous waves. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.